with timid hands and a fake smile. You put the candle down, said, "Have a nice day." I know you. I know you. I know you. But I don't even know myself. He grabbed your arm and pulled you near. I couldn't catch your name. I could feel his anger and smell your tears. The corners of your smile started to fray. I know you. I know you. I know you. But I don't even know myself. When did I become that girl with shallow breaths and darting eyes? I was told I'd been given the world, but I never seemed to see the sun.